Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through how to assemble this children's electric ride-on moped. Be sure to keep the user guide handy because it contains additional information about safety and assembly. Before you begin, make sure you have all of the pieces. If anything is missing or damaged, it could compromise the structural integrity of your vehicle. Step 1. Install the training wheels. Place the vehicle on a flat surface. Set the training wheels in the prepared slots on the underside of the moped and fix them in place with the 3 large screws. Step 2. Install the license plate. While the vehicle is upside down, you can install the license plate using 2 of the small black screws. Tighten the screws until the plate is secure. Step 3. Assemble the front wheel kit. Place the wheel kit in the wheel fork. Place the large washers on both sides of the wheel with the fork on the outside. Slide the metal axle through the fork and the wheel. Place the smaller washers on the outside of the forks and secure both ends of the axle with a lock nut. Use the provided tools and turn them simultaneously to tighten both nuts. Lastly, slide the front mudguard onto the fork kit until it fits snugly in place. Step 4. Place the front wheel on the moped. Slide the front wheel kit through the hole on the front of the vehicle body. Be careful not to cut through the dashboard wires when the metal rod comes through the other side. Step 5. Install the handlebars. Join the connecting wires from the handlebars to the wires coming out of the steering mount. Remove the nut and bolt from the handlebars and slide the handlebars onto the steering mount. Then replace the nut and bolt and tighten to secure it in place. Step 6. Install the armrest. Place the armrest in the provided slots on the back of the vehicle and secure it with 4 of the small black screws. Step 7. Connect the power. You will find 2 cords within the moped's battery housing with a pink plug. Connect the 2 plugs and then turn on the vehicle to make sure the power has been connected successfully. If the vehicle does not have power, double check the connection or try charging the battery for a few hours. Step 8. Install the seat. To install the seat, first secure the front side with the buckle, then secure the back of the seat with 1 screw. Step 9. Install the side mirrors. The side mirrors can simply be pressed into place. Once they're installed, your vehicle is ready to go. Operation. The red button turns the vehicle's power on. Push down on the pedal to drive forward. Release the pedal to slow down and stop. The green button activates the music. Congratulations! Your child's moped is ready to go. We hope you enjoy many years of safe and happy riding.